Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to copy array items using slice. The next method we will cover is slice. Slice, rather than modify an array, copies or extracts a given number of elements to a new array, leaving the array it is called upon untouched. So that means that it doesn't modify, whereas splice would pull things out. Slice just says like, oh, let's just grab this. Slice takes only two parameters. The first is the index at which to begin extraction, and the second is the index at which to stop extraction. Extraction will occur up to, but not including, the elements at the index. Consider this. It says, let weather conditions, rain, snow, sleet, hail, or clear. Let today's weather be equal to weather conditions slice 1, so it's going to slice snow, and then it's going to slice the next three positions. So 1, 2, 3. Snow, sleet, hail. Weather equals snow and sleet. Interesting. 1, 2. Today's weather is equal to snow and sleet. And then weather conditions still equals, and then the weather conditions doesn't change. And then for some reason it's only pulling out snow and sleet. First index at which to begin the extraction, and the second is the index at which to stop. Okay, so this is 0 position, this is at 1 position, this is at 2 position, and this is at 3. So it just grabs 1 and 2, but it doesn't grab the next position that it says. And we've created a new array by extracting elements from an existing array. We have defined a function, forecast, that takes an array as an argument. So here we have forecast, and it takes an array as an argument, and they've defined the function, which means they've got the function here. We want to modify this function using slice to extract information from the argument array and return a new array that contains the elements warm and sunny. So we want to go array.slice. And we want it to be warm and sunny. Okay, so we're going to take warm is at position 0, 1, 2, and then sunny is at position 0, 1, 2, 3. But we want to make it 4 so that it's cool. And then, okay, so right now what's happening is we're returning the array, even though we haven't done anything here. So what we need to do is set this. So, we can make a new thing. We could say let sliced forecast is equal to array.slice. And then instead of returning the array, we want to return the sliced forecast. And now we're getting warm and sunny. And so it should utilize the slice method, and it should return warm and sunny. So this should pass the test. You can see it's returning warm and sunny. So let's run the test and see if it passes. Cool, we got it. Now, if you see here what's going on, first off, we're setting the function here. So, and then the computer's reading from the top line down, right? So it reads forecast and then the array. So the first thing the computer says is, okay, we're going to remember a method here called forecast. And so it remembers this whole thing. And then we're going to log out the result of forecast, and then we're passing in this array. And so we come up here, and this array becomes cold, rainy, warm, sunny, cool, thunderstorms. So we're going to create a new variable which pulls out the elements at position 2 and goes to position 4, which means that it's just going to pull these two. And we set that equal to sliced forecast, and then we return the sliced forecast. And that's how we get warm and sunny. And if we were to console.log this array here, we could extract this and say weather, the conditions, and then we could say let conditions equal this array. Okay, so now if we forecast the conditions, but then at the same time, conditions are this long array, this original array. So if we were to use splice, this conditions array would have everything removed, and that would be incorrect, right? So we want to use slice so that we leave this, the conditions array unmodified. And that's why they're specifying the difference between slice and splice. Anyways, test pass. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and we'll see you in the next lesson.